What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming weeks. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I told you that we pretty much invalidated the ABC correction to the upside, and I told you previously somewhere at this point that if this asset goes to the downside, the top of our C wave might be right here, and the top of our fourth wave will be right here as well. But instead of the trend reversal, we still have a couple of higher highs, and this leads to the conclusion that potentially we completed, let me show you like this, we completed the entire ABC correction. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame, let's switch even to daily time frame, and let me show you the bigger picture of this price action. From this swing high, we completed a wave to October of 2022. Then we completed B wave to November, end of November of 2022. And for now, we completed the bottom of our C wave right here on February 21st of this year. And for now, we have 2 waves on the first potential wave to the upside, impulsive wave. And I will show you all the details in just several minutes. And guys, you know that I cover this asset for quite a long period of time, and definitely I cannot brag that my forecast is always correct. No one can do 100% correct forecasts, but my win rate is more than 70 to 75% on this asset. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal. So guys, I will come back to the technical analysis within just a couple of minutes, and for now let's take a look on the fundamental sentiment around this ticker symbol. So we are on tradingeconomics.com, and let me go to the most recent update. US natural gas futures traded around $2.8 per MMBTU due to forecasts of hotter weather and increased cooling demand. Meteorologists predict temperatures across the lower 48 states will stay above normal through at least July 9th, which boost the use of gas power generators to run air conditioners. Current gas flows to the 7 major US LNG export plants remain steady at 12.9 BCFD in June, matching May's figures but below the record 14.7 BCFD set in December of 2023. This reduction is due to ongoing maintenance at several Louisiana facilities, including Cameron LNG, Chenery Energy's Sabine Pass, and Venture Global's Calcasieu Pass. So far this year, gas production is down by around 7% due to delayed well completions and reduced drilling by companies like EK2 and Chesapeake after prices fell to 3.5-year lows earlier this year. And guys, we have quite a good forecast for at least a couple of weeks till July the 9th. And I have to admit that in general, And let's continue first of all with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch to hourly time frame, and I have to say that in general, the price action from the end of April till present day is quite bullish. I have to admit that, let's switch to 2 hours time frame. I have to admit that this count is pretty much invalidated. I don't need unnecessary tools. But instead of this, as you can see, let me show you, let's delete this tool as well. Instead of this, we have the first breakout to the upside, and we have a very high level of overlapping on these previous waves with this one. That is why it was the main reason why my bear count is pretty much invalidated. So let's take a look on the bull count. I have to say that it is very difficult to make a breakdown on this wave, but with the assumption, let's delete this tool, with the assumption that we have completed first wave right here and second wave to this point, we pretty much completed the third wave to this point, and probably it is a very good contender to have a retracement in the fourth wave, and we have to have one more leg to the upside to complete the fifth wave. And this will complete the first initial movement to the upside from its lowest point that was set on February 18th. And guys, take a look on this internal price action. If my assumption is correct, we potentially have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third wave, fourth, and this is the top of our fifth wave. If by the way, let's downgrade the scale, because we have to diversify this wave, these two waves. And if it is the real case, we can pull basically the Fib retracement tool in order to measure the retracement of the fourth one. And to do so, let's pull it from this bottom to this top. And what do we have right here? We have a perfect reaction out of 0.236 level, as you can see right here. But then we didn't hit the next range of support, the most common range at 0.382. And technically, we might have another leg to the downside, and we might have even a double bottom pattern with the bottom of the fourth wave on a slightly smaller scale. This means, guys, I think in upcoming couple of days, by the end of this week or at the very beginning of the next one, we might see another leg to the downside that will hit, let's put it this way, from 2.556 all the way down to 2.5 level. And from this point, we might have a trend reversal. In general, the invalidation point for this count is quite deep. It is the bottom of this initial movement, because every retracement that we can have right here is pretty much valid until this bottom holds. And the most common one will be definitely somewhere from this level, in worst case scenario to 0.5, but fourth wave doesn't usually have so deep retracement. That is why, guys, the next potential leg you can catch somewhere at $2.5, and we will be able to catch its next leg to the upside to complete the fifth wave. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.